day to each and everyone. My name is Aurora Di Cristobal and I'm 20 years old. I live in Gisao, Zamboanga City. I grew up in a simple family that faced many challenges in life. Together with my parents, mom, dad, and sister, I graduate in Juliana National High School. Sa labas ng school, mahilig ako maglaro ng Mobile Legends. Ito ang pampawala ko ng stress at pampalipas oras. Defeat! Mahilig ako kumain lalo na seafood, gulay at saka street food. Mahilig din akong tumugtog ng flute.